guys. So today I'll be showing you my bird. Okay, I'll let you in. Is like something wrong with you? Last time his wing actually got stuck. Look at this guy. Thinks he'll be free. This is an iPad. I know why it has so much bad quality. I think this is like 7 years old. Yeah, definitely like 20 years old. I'm joking, not 20 years old. But why is my quality so bad? Is it like something with the birds? My quality used to be good, and that's all your fault. And so is yours. Let me show your face. Yeah, you're gonna be in a movie. Okay, I'm gonna show you the world's hottest babe ever. Just kiss her. Okay, kiss her feet too. What is this blondie head? Kiss her. I felt like nail polish on her. This is the one that stares at everyone that comes into the room. Okay. And these are the clothes that I give this cute Isabella princess. This is Johnny. This is Isabella princess. Okay. I don't know why, but you guys gotta subscribe because I can't make my videos way longer than this. So I gotta go. Bye. Well, I don't gotta go because it's about to end because none of y'all subscribe or like or comment or share. Goodbye. I'm so sorry. Goodbye. The bird's like, bye.